Here's a really common Irish grammar mistake made by teachers. So it's when we're talking about this sentence. Law, Brett Law, son of ditch. I hear this maybe once a week because just the simple fact there's always a birthday in one of the classes in the school. Darren the Pashti, even Darren Moontery Ornta, Law, Brett Law, son of ditch. Some of you are hearing that and saying, well, Jenny, what is the problem with that? There's nothing wrong with that. Law, Brett Law, son of ditch. Some of you are seeing it straight away, the problem. Law, Brett Law. If we were to break this up into its individual components, here's what we'd have. Day, birthday, happy, and to you. So exactly what we have here, if you wanted to translate it directly to English, what we're actually reading there is happy birthday day to you, which of course is wrong. Okay, so we have law, Brett Law. I haven't read for a reason. It's taken its direct translation from English to describe the word birthday. Birth is here and day is there. So must be, Brett Law in Irish is obviously birthday. No, it's not. This is the right way of saying birthday. So law, breha, those words are combined, now separated by space, obviously it's not one word, but law, breha is birthday. Thanks to the Tishel Ginnajuk, that's what we actually have. It's law, breha, the day of birth. So instead of having day as one component, we have birthday as law and breha in one. Now, here's the thing. Law, Brett Law, son of ditch. Again, we're all singing the songs. Law, breha, law, breha, law, breha, law, Brett Law, law, Brett Law. And it rolls off the tongue. And without even thinking, you know what I mean? Like, people don't even think that law and Brett Law, they don't relate to each other. So I'm sure we use it sometimes. Yourself probably use it. I've definitely used it in the past for Brett Law. We're singing the song Law, Brett Law, son of ditch, happy birthday to you. Because we're actually saying happy birthday day to you. Another very simple thing, I'm sure, even Wales schools, English medium schools, it's said all the time. I mean, you're singing this song constantly in school. It's just one of those things, sometimes you can't get over it. Sometimes it just happens, it slips out, whatever. But look, just so you know, the more you know, food for thought. But Sinead, Gurmila Magwif.